Hello design enthusiasts, welcome back to Home Decor. Today we are embarking on a visual journey that will completely transform the way you perceive interior design. We're diving into the world of ceiling and wall wallpapers, exploring the endless possibilities that can breathe new life into your space. Let's get started. Wallpapers are no longer confined to just walls. Today, we're breaking the boundaries, starting with a stunning array of wall coverings that go beyond the conventional. From bold patterns to subtle textures, the world of wallpaper is your canvas. Now let's look up. Ceilings often go unnoticed, but not anymore. Ceiling wallpapers add a touch of sophistication and drama. From mesmerizing murals to elegant geometric patterns, the sky is the limit. Imagine lying in bed and gazing up at a starry night, or waking up to a soft sunrise right above you. Ceiling wallpapers can create a whole new dimension to your room. But we're not stopping there. Let's shift our focus to the walls. The traditional accent wall is getting a makeover with wallpapers that tell a story. It's not just about color, it's about narrative. Whether it's a bold statement in the living room or a subtle touch in the bedroom, wall wallpapers allow you to express your personality in a way that paint simply can't. Now that we've explored the basics, let's talk trends. Boho chic, vintage floral, or modern minimalism. Which style resonates with you? We're also sharing some pro tips on choosing the right patterns for different spaces. Remember, it's not just about following trends. It's about creating a space that reflects you. And for those DIY enthusiasts out there, stay tuned for some handy tips on easy installation. And there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the incredible world of ceiling and wall wallpapers. I hope you're as inspired as I am to take your interior design to new heights. Before we go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more design inspiration. And let us know in the comments which wallpaper style caught your eye. Happy decorating!